The FDA says it's one of the most promising new fields of science and medicine, stem cells and regenerative medicine. Dr. Clark Hansen with the Hansen Clinic of Natural Medicine is here to tell us more. Good morning.
Good morning.
Very exciting. Tell me, what is stem cell therapy?
Stem cell therapy is the most amazing new discovery of my 33 years of medical practice. Matter of fact, it is so powerful. I think it is the most powerful and yet the safest medical therapy we've ever discovered. In fact, the new current FDA commissioner said we were at the beginning of a paradigm change in medicine with the promise of being able to facilitate regeneration of parts of the human body. This is no longer the stuff of science fiction. This is the practical promise of regenerative medicine, end of quote. Just amazing.
And tell me, what exactly are stem cells?
So stem cells are cells that occur naturally in the body that are held in reserve to replace damaged tissue. So they replace the brain tissue, the nerve tissue, intestines, bone, cartilage, joints, liver, even the heart muscle.
That's
Incredible.
Unbelievable. So what kind of conditions are you treating with this?
So we can treat so many different kinds of conditions. We can do it to joints. We've been doing a lot of that. We do a lot of systemic things as well, including had a patient with Crohn's disease recently, had a patient with heart disease who was in severe heart failure. Both of them, within a week of getting these stem cells, are just feeling great and improved to almost normal.
Wow. You have another patient, Dean. Let's hear what he had to say about his
Great
treatments.
story.
All right, this is my patient, Dean. He had stem cell therapy in his left knee. And so I want to ask him his story. What was it like before, Dean, and what is it like now, your experience with the stem cell injection?
The pain was bad enough. I had to use a handrail to walk downstairs. Couldn't run or walk very long without it. Pain there, or it swelling up, or I couldn't bend it. It was restriction.
How long had that been?
Probably got worse and worse, but probably within the last 5 years I haven't been able to do much of anything.
Wow.
And after the stem cell, actually for me, it was the next day I noticed that there was no pain getting out of bed. Usually it takes about an hour for me to get used to just walking around. There was none of that. I was able to right away squat right down, which I hadn't been able to for quite a few years. And pain, it's been 3 weeks now. My pain now is completely gone. I've been starting to run a little bit and do more and to do squats and that, but I've got full movement and no issues. It's like a brand new knee.
Dr. Hansen, this has to be so rewarding for you. I know how passionate you are about your patients.
Yeah, I love it. It's so awesome. So we want everybody to call in. First 10 callers are going to get a free initial consultation so we can talk about them, tell them what their possibilities are, get them feeling as awesome as these patients.
All right, we are so glad you came in to share
Thank
this
you.
with us. Thank you. If you'd like more information about Hansen Clinic of Natural Medicine, go to drhansen.com or call the number on your screen.